Natural gas last week traded with swings where we've seen the lows here at around 3.4, 3.36, and we have seen a very good recovery towards 3.8. Very, very important to note, it is yet to breach beyond 3.8, which is a critical number here. Now, what to say for net gas here? Are we confirming a reversal? Are we looking forward to a rise towards 4? Or this is the first bearish candle, the swing is done, and the next week is going to deliver another bearish move here? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading natural gas in the coming week? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the weekly review. I do share my twice a day updates for targets, first with the Asia session for natural gas, first with the Asia session, next with the US session. And this is the only channel to do so where we give you two updates every day. We also not only give you the levels but also give you the reasoning behind each and every target and the levels here, which develops a fair bit of understanding for everyone on how to trade in the markets, what are the key supports and resistances. Thus, subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Towards the end of this update, I'll be sharing the trading levels and strategies, so do watch till the end. First, let's focus on the weekly chart. See, after this greater dip, first of all, how this dip has started: rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, bigger rise, bigger retracement. Again, the 50 period has come to the rescue here, as we have seen several times in the recent past. The important thing here for natural gas is the breach below this channel, which was a strongly bullish channel. Now, what is happening here? You can see this, it is trying to trade in this slightly bearish zone. When you look at the move here, after the drop, it is retraced, it has found its resistance at $4 levels. And what has happened since then? We have seen a very strong drop, and then the last week a swing has appeared. Now, a swing does not mean a reversal. Only thing is, if and only if it trades above 3.8, 3.86. If these two levels are taken in the coming week, you can expect a move towards 3.95 and 4. And if it stays above 4, that's a confirmation of a reversal where the targets are going to be towards 4.2, 4.4. Now, what's happening here on the weekly charts? After the crossover in the moving averages, these are trading with divergence, these are staying bullish. A possible support can be expected if at all it starts to move downwards. 3.2 is the next milestone which it needs to break. Now, 3.2 and $3 levels are the support levels which it has to break in order to confirm a breakdown. We have seen $3 levels acting as a critical support for the last multiple weeks, and hence this level has gathered the strength, and thus it is very, very important. If the bears are here, it has to trade below 3 in order to confirm the down move here. When you look at the stochastic, after the drop it has retest, it is now near to the top. When you look at the MACD, after the crossover it is trading bearish, and when you see the MACD, it appears, see, after the drop it has retraced, it has taken its time, and now looking downwards, though it has lot much of downside available, but also it has lot much of upside available as well. Now, for example, from the current levels, if it decides to reverse, a possible conversion itself will take 2 to 3 weeks, which means the prices has to trade above 4.4 zone in the coming few weeks. And if that is taken, then it will be back to the bullish path, and then we can expect $5 and $6 levels in the near future. But right now, I'll say the factors are not very much supportive of such a reversal. As of now, the bears are still very much in place. The RSI is comfortably positioned and is right now waiting for it to take a direction. Coming to the daily chart, on the daily charts, what has happened? The highs here, then the retracement, the drop here, then the retracement. Now see, this is trying to create a nice wave here, and after the retracement here, it is again trying to bounce back. Now I will watch out first. If natural gas gives you a breakout beyond 4, then I will say this is the next bull run here. 4.2, 4.3, 4.4 has to be there. What has happened for the last few sessions? After a strong bearish move, it has taken the support at 3.4, 3.36 and now trying to reverse. First bullish candle has appeared, sideways movement. The opening of the coming week is pretty critical, and thus if you see a opening above 3.7, 3.72, You can say that now there is a possibility of a rise where we can see it moving beyond 3. And if it trades above 3.8, then I'll be looking forward to 3.9294 and $4 levels. A move beyond 4 certainly is a sign of a reversal. So let's watch out. The coming week is going to be pretty important for natural gas, where it has to decide the direction it wants to take. If you look at the moving averages, these are flat. The MACD after hitting the lows, or stochastic after hitting the lows, it's trying to reverse and it has come towards the top here. When you see the MACD, now look at MACD. After this greater dip, this was retracement. After the retracement, it has crossed over. And now, if it crosses over here, so this will be the retracement, minor retracement, and it will be back to the bullish path where the highs are going to get achieved. So, coming week is going to be pretty important. RSI comfortably placed. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour charts, the moving averages are flat here, not yet crossed over. The resistances on the upside are pretty strong. After the resistance, we have seen it retracing, taking the support and again bounce back. And now, I will say 37 or 3.7 is going to be one key resistance. You can see this multiple candles getting reversed from 3.7, 3.72 zone. Very, very important. And then 3. If at all natural gas decides to trade above 3.8, you can expect the bulls to be here. 3.924 should be there very, very soon. Notice after the rise, it is consolidating. A breakout here is going to give you a stronger move. Stochastic rising. The MACD is trading with moderate bullish. The RSI is comfortably placed. Coming to the daily, now look at the daily charts. Forming the bottom one is strong, not to the daily charts but to the monthly charts. We have seen the daily charts already. Now looking at the monthly charts, now on the monthly charts, after this drop, retracement towards 2050, then the drop, and now it is traded about 2050 100 months average here, which is a sign supportive for further bullishness. If you look at the monthly charts, the rise, the retracement, the rise, the retracement. Now since last multiple months, you can see couple of green, one red, couple of green, one red. Bigger the greener, bigger the red candles are here. Now, this could be again another trend here where it is going to be the first greener candle and then the next candles might be greener in nature, might be bullish, where the prices could advance all the way towards 4.5 $5 levels. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD after bottoming here, it has crossed over. It is trading with moderate bullishness, but it has been months since it is trading bullish and hence it is showing signs of convergence here. The RSI is comfortably placed. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy here. And if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 33rd mentorship batch starting 2nd of June. See, first thing is to invest in learning and then get the profits out of the markets. Do not commit the mistake first lose in the markets and then invest in learning. In fact, it is better late than never. Yes, join the learning journey, join the mentorship batch where you get all the tools, techniques, and strategies on how to profit in the markets. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. And yes, for your queries related to the mentorship batch, you can connect with me, write an email, or ping me or telegram. The contact details are here in the channel and video description. And those who are willing to be part of my signals channel on Telegram can do so. Again, for your queries related to the signals, you can connect with me. Now, once you have your trades in place, it is very, very important for you to have a place to trade, a safer place to trade. You can find the trusted partner link in the channel and video description. It offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe. Join it today and enjoy your trading experience. Now first, let's talk about the levels to buy. I will recommend you to buy at 3.7 only. 3.7, 3.72, first greater resistance here. 3.76 and then 3.8. If 3.8 is taken, bullishness will increase. I will look forward to 3.85, 3.92 and then $4 levels should appear. Beyond 4, we can expect the bulls to take over. I'll be looking forward to 4.08, 4.2 and then 4.3 and then 4.4 has to be there. For the coming week, I do not expect such a strong breakout, but yes, if it stays above 4, in the near future, 4.2, 4.4 zone has to be breached. On the downside now, I'll recommend a selling entry here at 3.64, where you can expect 3.6, 3.55 and then 3.5. If it trades below 3.5, stay short for 3.4. If it trades below 3.4, I'll be looking forward to 3.32, 3.26 and then 3.2. Very, very crucial support available at 3.2, and I do not expect it to breach below 3.2, but yes, if it does, 3.11, 3.05 and 3.0. Again, 3 is a very critical support for natural gas here. Hence, trade with caution, take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great, profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.